Join me as I challenge myself to eat rice daily and discover the surprising effects it can have on my body. Rice, it's a staple food in many cultures around the world, and yet, there's a lot of debate about whether it's healthy to incorporate it into your daily diet. Some people swear by it, while others claim it's a carb-loaded nightmare. But what's the real deal? Can eating rice daily really have a significant impact on your body, and if so, what kind of impact are we talking about? I think one of the biggest misconceptions about rice is that it's super high in calories and can lead to weight gain. While it's true that rice is a carb-heavy food, the calorie count isn't actually that bad, especially if you're choosing brown rice over white. A single serving of brown rice has around 110 calories, which is roughly the same as a slice of whole grain bread. Of course, the key is to watch your portion sizes and balance your meals with plenty of veggies and lean protein. Another common concern people have is that rice is low in nutrients. And yeah, it's true that white rice is basically just empty calories. But brown rice, on the other hand, is a great source of fiber, manganese, and selenium. It's also got a decent amount of B vitamins and iron. So, if you're choosing the right kind of rice, you're actually getting a pretty good nutritional bang for your buck. I've also heard some people say that eating rice daily can lead to insulin resistance and an increased risk of diabetes. And while it's true that white rice can cause a spike in blood sugar, the same isn't necessarily true for brown rice. In fact, studies have shown that eating brown rice can actually help to slow down the digestion of carbs and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Rice is a nutrient-rich food that provides a range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's also super versatile, and can be paired with just about anything to create a healthy, balanced meal. Plus, there are so many different types of rice to choose from, each with its own unique nutritional profile. From brown rice to white rice, jasmine rice to basmati rice, there's a type of rice out there to suit every taste and dietary need. One of the most surprising benefits of eating rice daily is that it can actually help to reduce inflammation in the body. Brown rice, in particular, contains a type of antioxidant called lignin, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can be especially beneficial for people who suffer from chronic pain or inflammation, as it can help to reduce symptoms and improve overall quality of life. Another benefit of eating rice daily is that it can help to support healthy digestion. Brown rice is high in fiber, which means it can help to keep you regular and prevent constipation. It's also got prebiotic properties, which can help to support the growth of healthy gut bacteria. And let's not forget about the selenium content, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut lining. Eating rice daily can even have a positive impact on your mental health. The carbohydrates in rice can help to increase serotonin levels in the brain, which can help to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Plus, the fiber content can help to regulate blood sugar levels, which can reduce mood swings and energy crashes. So, to sum it all up, incorporating rice into your daily diet can have some pretty amazing benefits for your body. From reducing inflammation to supporting healthy digestion, and even boosting your mental health, there are plenty of reasons to make rice a staple in your kitchen. Thanks for tuning in, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on rice consumption in the comments section below. If you've got any favorite rice recipes or tips, be sure to share them with the community. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest food-related content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to turn on notifications.